Hello everyone, I'm Margie Magallon. For this video, we will discuss the lesson about computing probability corresponding to a given random variable. First, we need to be familiar with inequality symbols because later on, in the problems we will solve later, you will encounter the words that we don't often read. The meaning of these symbols are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal. Also in word phrases, less than can be fewer than or below, greater than can be more than or above, and then at more or no more than, then at least or no less than. Now let's move on to our first example. The following data shows the probability for the number of breads sold in a given day at a bakery store. Here, the x refers to the number of breads, and then p of x for the probability. For letter A, find the probability of x less than 5. So since the symbol is less than, let's take 0 to 4 in our given. Then, we will substitute the corresponding probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then add to get the correct answer. You can use your own calculator for you to better keep up with our discussion. So, the answer is 0.85. Next is, find the probability of x greater than or equal to 4. So here the symbol is greater than or equal to. So let's take 4 to 9 in our given. Then substitute the corresponding probability and add to get the correct answer. Then the answer is 0.345. The last one is find the probability of x less than or equal to 3. When the symbol is like this, then let's take 0 to 3 in our given. Then again, substitute the corresponding probability of 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then add. The answer we get is 0.75. For example number 2, in a grocery store, the number of cashiers X busy with customers at 1 noon varies from day to day. Past records indicates that this probability distribution of X is as follows. Here's our given. The first problem is what is the probability that at least one cashier are busy at 1 noon. Find the probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Then substitute the corresponding probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then add. So the answer is 0.319. Second problem is, what is the probability that is fewer than 3 cashiers are busy at 1 noon? When we say fewer than, it means less than 3. So, find the probability of x less than 3. And then substitute the corresponding probability and then add. So, the answer is equal to 0.106. The last problem, for example number 2, is what is the probability that is at least 0 but fewer than 5 cashiers are busy at 1 noon. Find the probability of at least 0 of x fewer than 5. Then, substitute the corresponding probability and then add. So, the answer is 0.227. For our example number 3, let x be the value of the random variable represented by the number of salad. The probability distribution is shown below. So this is our given. For problem A, find the probability that 15 or more boxes will be sold in our particular day. So here, to get the probability of x greater than or equal to 15, we need to get the probability of 15, 20, 25, and 30. And then let's add. So the answer is 15 over 8 or 0.6. For the problem B, find the probability that the number of boxes delivered will be at least 10 but no more than 30. So let's take down the probability of 10, 15, 20, and 25. And then let's add. And the answer is also equal to 5 over 8 or 0.6. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.